Hello friends, this is Professor Dhakne Vikas, and today we are to discuss some different topic as compared with the topic that we are discussing every day that was related to our academic syllabus. So this is also the quite related, very much related with the syllabus also, but slightly different, as today we are going to discuss which are the top 10 languages you should learn, or any languages out of that top 10 languages you should learn, so that you can have the benefit of that in the future. So today we are going to discuss such kind of languages which are being very much popular nowadays in the different software industry, and which can helpful for you if you try to learn some of the languages out of this. And so today I have chosen this topic as a top 10 programming languages to be learned in 2020. So we'll learn these topics. We'll see the brief introduction of these languages along with what are the specific feature of these languages, for what purpose these languages are specifically utilized, which are the different industries where these languages are utilized, and different industry where they hire the certain candidates who are having the knowledge of such languages, as well as we'll discuss the average salary if you have the knowledge of certain kind of languages, the average salary you can get if you become the proficient in certain kind of languages. Now, as of you are aware, the world is becoming smarter day by day. That is because of the rapid development in the automation. New technologies are coming into the picture like the artificial intelligence, blockchain, cloud computing, etc., etc. And that is the reason we are experiencing the huge advancement in the technology. And this huge advancement in the technology, the base for it, the foundation for it is nothing but the different kind of programming languages. And this programming language, the knowledge of certain programming language can impact your future career. And that is the reason today we have chosen which kind of language you should learn so that you can have the bright future in the field of the software industry. So we'll start from the number 10. Now on the number 10, there is a language being called as a Ruby. Now this is the language being developed in the Japan in the mid of 1990. And this language is being considered as a very much simplified programming task to make the various programming tasks much easier. This language were developed. Now, for what purpose this language being developed? Using this language, what kind of different tasks can be done? So for this Ruby language being specifically developed for the creation of various kind of web applications. If you have the knowledge of Ruby language, then the creation of web application you can do utilizing this language. This language is having the easiest syntax, and with the less amount of code, you can do maximum amount of tasks if you have the knowledge of this language as a Ruby. Now, which are the companies where these languages are being currently getting utilized? So there are the famous companies like the Bloomberg, GitHub, Fiverr, SlideShare, and Shopify. So these are the different famous companies where the Ruby language is getting utilized. Now, if you have the knowledge of this language, then you can get the average salary in the different companies that is more than the $90,000 per year, which is nothing but the 67 lakhs per year in case of Indian currency. Let's move to the next So next we have on the ninth number, that is the Kotlin. This is the, what we can say, the symbol of the Kotlin language. Now this is the one of the famous language nowadays, which is being endorsed by the Google, and which is being work on the same basis on which the Java works, that is, it runs on the Java virtual machine. And specifically, this language nowadays being utilized for the developing the various kind of Android application. That is, it is having the compatibility to the Android Studio 3. So this is the language being utilized for the purpose of different kind of Android app development. So this language is very much rich. It is having the different kind of existing Java libraries, frameworks, using which this language works beautifully to develop the various kind of Android app development. Let's move towards which are the different companies where the Kotlin language being utilized. So not the Ruby, Kotlin language. So these are the different companies where the Kotlin language being preferred, like Square company, Pinterest company, and the Basecamp companies. So these are the different companies where the Kotlin language are being referred. If you have the good knowledge of Kotlin language, you can get the average salary in the US. This is written. You can get the average salary more than $125,000, and in the Indian currency, it is about the 93 lakhs. Let's see on the number 8. So on the number 8, we have the Scala. So it is also a powerful high-level programming language, Scala language, and which is based on the object-oriented concept. So Scala stands for the scalable language. It is one of the many attempts to rewrite the Java while improving the drawbacks. Now, for what purpose this language nowadays being utilized? So in the many software companies, this language being utilized for the software development, like the web application development, mobile application development, and most preferably for the development of the different kind of games. Let's see which are the different companies, where the Scala being preferred. So Apple company, LinkedIn, Twitter, The Guardian. So these are the famous companies where the Scala language being preferred. So if you have the good knowledge of Scala language, you can work in these different companies. Now, this is one of the booming technology present nowadays in the market. And if you have the good knowledge of this language, you can have the average salary of $117,000. That is about 88 lakhs per year. Let's see which is on the 7th rank. So on the 7th, we have the C and C++. So all of you are very much aware with this language. So these languages are nothing but the root of the all other language, like the C#, Java, JavaScript, etc., etc. So these are the very simple and the powerful programming language, and considered as a mother of all existing languages. And for what purpose these languages are being utilized? For the development of various kind of games, scripting part, mobile application, etc., etc. Also, to develop the different kind of operating system, also this kind of languages are being mostly preferred. Now, which are the companies where you can join if you have the good knowledge of this kind of languages? So these are the popular companies like the Adobe Photoshop, Google Chromium, Mozilla Firefox, MySQL database, NVIDIA, Google, Microsoft, Apple. So if you have the knowledge of good knowledge of C and C++, you can join these kind of companies, and you can have the average salary for your knowledge of C and C++, that is $116,000 per year, and that is about the 85 lakhs per year. Let's see, on the 6th rank, we have the C#. Now this is being created by the Microsoft, and C# is considered one of the most powerful programming language in the .NET framework. It is a powerful, flexible language that gives the comprehensive programming foundation, which is being applicable to the Java, Objective-C, PHP, and more. So we can consider the C# as anything but the mixture of the C++ and the Java. But the developer or the founder of this language, the Anders Hejlsberg, creator of C#, says C# is the more like the C++ than the Java. Now, for what purpose these languages are being utilized? For building the different kind of 3D, 2D video games, as well as, to develop the various kind of top games in the market, plus designing the various kind of web forms and the Windows application also. There is a utilization of the C# language. Let's see where actually in which company you can do the job if you have the knowledge of C#. So Apple company, Honeywell, United Health, and the Amazon. So I'm telling you here the most famous companies example. Okay, there are the other small scale companies also where you can have the job if you have the knowledge of such kind of languages. So these are the famous company I'm just referring here. Now, if you have the good knowledge of this about this language C#, you can have the average salary of $120,000 per year. That is around the 90 lakhs per year. Let's see the next one, that is the Go language. Now this Go language is quite a new name for us, but it's also the most useful language nowadays. So developed by the Google itself. So it is one of the latest player in the programming platform. It's the open source, which make it easy to create simple, secure, and the productive software. So this language have combined the best aspect of the functional and the object-oriented programming languages like the C, C++, some of the features of the Java, etc. Now, where actually these for what purpose the Go language are being utilized? For developing the various kind of networking projects, distributed function projects, as well as in the different cloud services, the Go language are being mostly preferred. Let's see the companies where you can do the job if you have the good knowledge of Go language. So one of the famous company where you can do the job if you have the good knowledge of Go language, that is Jabong, Dropbox, Apple, Twitter, Razorpay, etc. These are the famous company I am referring. And if you have the good knowledge of these languages, you can get the average salary of around the $120,000 per year. That is approximately 90 lakhs per year. Let's see the next important one and the famous, that is the Swift. So this is the language developed by the Apple in the 2014. It's a general purpose open source language built with the modern approach and the safety and other performance details. So it is being developed as an alternative to the Objective-C to write the application for the iOS and the Mac. So this language being specifically developed to write the application for the operating system iOS in the Mac. And this language is being influenced by the Python, Ruby. Okay, and on the basis of that, the Swift language is being developed. So it is using the number of iOS app as well as in the Mozilla Firefox, WordPress, SoundCloud, Flappy Bird games in these different sectors, and the softwares or the application areas are there related with the Swift. Related with the companies who are hiring the candidates who are having the knowledge of Swift are like the Uber, Slack, Robinhood, and Darunguru. So these are the famous companies who are hiring the candidates who are having the knowledge of Swift language. So because of the tremendous need for the experience Swift develops, the average programmer who knows how to use this language can expect the salary around $130,000 per year. That is about the 99 lakhs per year. So it is huge. So some of you can prefer to go for the Swift language nowadays. Let's see the next, that is the Java. And it is, all of you know, it is being developed by the Oracle Corporation, is one of the oldest and the most common in-demand computer programming language nowadays being utilized. So it is being utilized to develop some various kind of web application, games. Highly, the huge role is being performed by the Java in such kind of tasks. And another important factor which has kept the Java as a magic intact among the web development companies, that is nothing but its important feature that it is the platform independence. Okay. And so that is the reason Java nowadays also is very much popular as compared with the other languages. Now, if you have the good knowledge of Java, then you can have the job in the different companies like Amazon, Twitter, Google, and the YouTube. These are the different famous companies where you can have the uh, job opportunity if you have the good knowledge of the Java programming language. So there are the very much amount of details related to the coding details of Java related to the Java language are available on the internet. So there is around around 900,000 repositories are available on the GitHub. Now, repositories are nothing but the code shared by the different developer on the internet site. Like GitHub is the one of the internet site where you can have the code related with the different language related with the different task, and you can have the average salary in case of the Java. If you have the good knowledge of Java, that is around $120,000 per year, and that is around the 90 lakhs per year. So that is very much good. Let's see the next we have the JavaScript on the second rank. So along with the HTML, CSS, Java programming language, JavaScript is the programming language that is being considered as that build is used to build the internet. Means it is being mostly preferred by the various web developers to develop the web pages that we are observing on the internet. That's why it is being said along with the HTML, CSS, JavaScript is the programming language that build the internet. So JavaScript is the very much feature rich in the as a case of the object based scripting language, and its syntax are also very much easier if you try to learn this language, and mostly prefer in the case of the web development. If you ask me which are the companies where the candidates can do the job, if you have the good knowledge of JavaScript, the famous companies I have mentioned here, the Google, Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, that is a part of Google only, and YouTube. These are the various popular companies where you can do the job if you have the good knowledge of JavaScript. And the average salary you can have if you have the good knowledge of JavaScript, the average salary you can have is the 116,000 per year, $116,000 per year. That is around the 85 lakhs per year. Okay. Let's see the which is on the number one rank, and that is the Python. So this is the fastest growing programming platform nowadays, which is being utilized in the different field, and mostly in the field of the data science, artificial intelligence, to do the different kind of statistical analysis, this language being utilized. And one of the important feature of this language, it is easy in the sense with the shortest code you can achieve the maximum amount of task. Okay, if you try to learn this, you will understand what I'm saying. So it is the kind of open source programming language, and it is have the extensive support related with the modules, and it is have the huge community support. Means GitHub depositories are very much available on the internet side. So it is having the easy integration with the web service, user friendly language. Mostly this language being preferred in the field of the data science, statistics, machine learning. Importantly, machine learning, in the field of machine learning, Python language is nowadays very much popular. Along with that, artificial intelligence, this language in case of in the field of the artificial intelligence also, the Python language is mostly preferred. And along with the Python language, there is another language, that is the R language is also there, which is being also utilized in the field of the machine learning and the artificial intelligence. Now, which are the famous companies where the Swift language, here the Python must be there. The other companies where this language being preferred. So companies where the Python language is being preferred and the candidates having the good knowledge of Python language can do the job in different companies like YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, SurveyMonkey, Quora, Mozilla, and the Spotify. So these are the companies where industries where you can do the job if you have the good knowledge of the Python language. So the programmer who have the knowledge of Python language, he can get the huge amount of salary that is around $130,000 per year, and that is about the 99 lakhs per year. Okay, so these are the top 10 languages which are most popular nowadays, and most of the application softwares are being get developed using these kind of languages. I am not saying that to you that you must learn all these languages, but you must prefer any one or two or three language out of these and try to be a perfect in such kind of language. Now it's up to you what is your choice and which language to select so that you can have the good opportunity in the field of the software industry. Okay guys, so that's it from my side. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Okay, thank you all of you.